Good morning, I'm Samantha Montoya, and my presentation is on becoming a trial attorney. Description: a trial attorney's job is to defend their chosen clients in court in a creative but respectful way to the judge that convinces them that they are innocent or correct, opposed to the other person. Some characteristic requirements include being creative, but being respectful, also being firm, being strict, and having good oral communication skills, good research skills. This occupation usually always takes place inside of a courtroom. The growth rate is expected to grow 6% as of 2018 to 2026, which is an average growth rate considering that there's more demand for legal research, legal help, and legal advice. What education is required? In order to become a trial attorney, you must have at least a bachelor's degree. You can have a higher degree, of course, which increases your chances. Then 3 years of law school, followed by passing a board exam to be certified by your state. So the salary rate depends on where you live in, as it varies from state to state. But for example, the average trial lawyer salary in New York is $124,486 as of April 27, 2020. But the salary typically falls between $108,000 to $142,000. The average salary rate for a trial lawyer in Seattle is $118,716, whereas the average salary rate for a trial lawyer in El Paso is $80,237. Career pathway. Most trial attorneys work 40 to 50 hours a week, depending on what they're working on, whereas the hours can vary depending what time of year it is, what they're working on, how long they're working, or where they're working. Shift work is not involved. Also, travel is not involved. Corporate lawyers, which are mostly business lawyers, do most of the traveling out of state. If anything, there's traveling for meetings, which typically are overnight for a day or two. Before becoming a lawyer, you have to do an internship in wherever you went to school, which is the closest thing to an entry job. And then after a few years as a lawyer, you can move up in different positions or even become a judge. Positive and negative features. In my opinion, the positives when it comes to being a lawyer are defending other people, winning your cases, and the negative effects would be working long hours, being away from home, and of course, losing a case that you could have done better on. Related occupations. Some of the closest related occupations to a trial attorney include state-appointed lawyers or court-appointed lawyers, which do pretty much the same thing, but they do get paid significantly less. What steps do you have to take to become an attorney? In order to become an attorney, you have to earn at least a bachelor's degree in whatever state university you go to in criminal justice or law. Then after that, you take 3 years of law school and then take an internship, then become an attorney. So those are pretty much all the job characteristics, the requirements, and the education. And then these are my citations, and yeah, thank you.